I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you.
Hi my divas and my lovelies. I missed you guys so much. I know it's been a while since I've been up on here. I had recently moved, so I'm still trying to get my life together and get things in order and things of that nature. But I wanted to give you guys a quick video of an item that I purchased from Walmart. It's called a Papado chair. I'll link the picture somewhere in here so you guys can see how it looks. I'm basically going to assemble it together. I got it from Walmart, I believe, for $200 around there, but I'll post the price on here someplace. But I believe I got it on a sale or whatever, so it had to be between $200 to $225 or something like that. But I'll post the price on the screen somewhere so you guys can see it. I wanted to make it like an accent chair for my living room. It's like a light gray color, which will go with everything. Kind of like a lounge chair I want to just sit on to read a book or just to watch some cozy up and watch a movie on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you do, please put the thumbs up and a like and subscribe and share this video for other people who may, want to add this kind of chair as an addition to their bedroom or their living room. If you feel that it may be helpful for them. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. Here I'm taking the items out of the box. It's a really sturdy material. It's like half wicker and half metal. It has two pieces to it, which I'm pulling out the box. To you guys in the picture there. I'm going to fast forward through this because I don't want this video to be too long, but you guys see the end result of me putting this together in the end. Enjoy the video. Hey lovelies, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It took me about maybe less than a half an hour to put the papasan chair together. I suggest if you do have an extra person in the house that, you know, have a second person help you assemble it, at least to hold the base of the chair. So one person can hold one end of the base while you screw in the screws on the other end, just to make it a little bit easier. But I was capable of doing it on my own without a second person, but it probably move a little bit faster if you have a second person to assist you with assembling the chair. It's really durable, it's really soft and plush. A good purchase that I made. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna have it in my room or in the living room. I'm still deciding where I wanna, you know, place it. But other than that, the framework of it looks like it's wood, but it's actually iron, which is a plus. And it holds about 250 pounds on the chair. So it holds a great amount of weight, which is great. It's soft and comfortable. So it's, you know, it was a great purchase that I made, and hopefully it is something that you guys may be interested in. If you go to walmart.com, they may still have these chairs available. I also saw them in different colors as well, but I wanted a light gray to kind of go with my decor that I'm trying to set up for my living room. So I have some more videos in the works, you guys, as far as DIYs that I have in the works. That should be coming up soon. I'm just trying to get some things together here since I just moved not too long ago. So just be patient with me rolling those videos in. Once again, I want to thank you guys for subscribing, watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe the video. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video from me in the future. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. And once again, this is Wide Eye Diva, and I catch you lovelies in another video. Bye.